Hey humans! Welcome back to the channel, Take 2.
Where it literally takes us 2 takes to get through life.
I'm Dilmi.
And I'm Venita.
And today, we're not doing anything Korean related.
Not at all.
Because we are going...
to the sky.
Yes, we are.
Sky's the limit, guys. Not even.
Not even.
One day we'll go to space.
Yes, but today, itty bitty tiny steps, we're going to the sky.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're going to give you guys more details when we get there.
Uh-huh.
But for now, look at the day. So I'm wearing an Adidas black beanie, a beige top, a sweater thing, and black pants and black socks, and then my boots, which I'm not wearing right now.
And I'm wearing, again, black beanie, but you know, not branded, because I'm a humble queen. Just a gray top as regular, gray sweats, because you know, matchy, and black socks, because I have black boots, and black glasses. Well, yeah, there you go. Something comfy, something warm for this crazy winter. Actually, it's not that crazy yet.
Not yet.
It'll get there.
Yet.
It'll get there. But anyways, you know, we're gonna see you on the road.
Yes, we are. Excited?
Very excited. Have you ever tried this? Thank you.
That's her dad. This one, my finger's a little crooked, okay guys? I was like pointing to the wrong person.
We're not allowing my dad to.
Wow, you're taller than it, Dilmi. Give us a tour, Dilmi.
So this is what we call
A wing?
the other wing.
That's the other wing.
This is the tail.
The tail.
Another wing. Oh, I think we're backwards. Oh yeah, never mind. That's the front. This is the head. And we're gonna sit inside. Woo! We're gonna fly to South Korea, guys.
Yes, this will take us all the way to South Korea.
It will. We'll have to make many stops, but
We'll get
here
there.
we come. We're at Buttonwell Airport, which is in Markham, and today's Sunday, December
12th,
yes,
I think.
yeah, 12th, and it's really sunny, but it's a bit windy.
It's very windy.
Yeah, but it's very sunny, which is the good thing, so we can see everything.
Have a look, guys, because I
Have a
doubt you
look.
can hear us.
Very excited. So the pilot is actually a family friend of mine, and he offered to take us. This is very spontaneous. I literally just hit her up yesterday. I was like, okay, so flying Sunday, and it's happening. So it's me, her, my dad, and Lakshan, who is the pilot.
Who you will meet
Soon enough.
Ta-da! The plane is a pretty now.
Apparently every other like airplane is like actually inside stored, and whenever he says I need to fly, they'll bring it outside and then have it ready for him so he can take off.
Ah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Level traffic, Yankee Golf, Quebec, 3 miles east of the field. We're inbound for the Midwest downwind runway 21. Coming alive.
until my stomach started like, and I was like, ugh. The whole time I'm just like, yeah.
Yeah, my dad, he had a whole situation.
That's a situation I was trying to avoid.
He yeah. Anyways,
It was fun though.
yeah, it was so fun.
And so pretty.
It was so pretty.
We should do this in like the summer.
Yeah, that's what he was saying. He's like, we'll do it again, and then because we were supposed to go to Blue Mountain, right?
We didn't make it all the way there.
No, we did not. We had to do a detour and come back. But we will do it again, and
I'll definitely get sick next time, but I'll be more prepared by bringing a couple of bags.
yeah, that and I
Like
feel
this time because I didn't have any, I was like,
that, and I feel like because this was windy today, so
It was
the
windy.
so the thing was like up and down. Otherwise, it would just be stable and just be straight up.
yeah.
But this was an experience. I
That's
can't
fun.
believe we did this.
It was fun.
It was so much fun. This was so exciting. And oh my gosh, everything and everyone looks so tiny. I'm looking at the cars and I'm like, y'all look like ants.
Honestly.
But like, you really realize how like beautiful Canada is.
Yes.
Right?
Especially when we went over the lake.
Oh man.
We went over Lake Simcoe.
Yep.
So it was really pretty.
It was
for
so
sure.
pretty. It was so pretty. So this is
And this is our pilot.
Oh yeah.
Where are you? There. Say hi.
Hi.
How was your experience with your passengers? Two
It
of
was
them.
good.
Well, one threw up, and another one almost threw up.
Yeah.
How
Who's
was
the
that?
Who's the one who almost threw up? Oh yeah.
Okay, I was just feeling it. I was feeling it.
She was like
I was literally the whole time. I'm like,
she was like breathing.
And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this very refreshing type of content on Take 2. But as always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment on, I have no idea.
anything.
Just anything.
What should we do?
I don't know.
What food should we eat? What vehicle should we go into next?
Where should we go? We're in Toronto, so anywhere here.
Around yonder.
Yeah, and we will do that for you. But till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay positive, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.